Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Shirin Qazi. This is Revised Theory Class 3 Semester 1 book. Lesson number 5, Basic Geometry. In basic geometry we will learn about point, line segment, ray, line. What is a point? A point is a dot on a sheet paper. This is a sheet paper. We have put a one dot here and that is called a point. It is named with a capital P is a point. P for point. Now line segment. Line segment is a line has two endpoints. These are two dots and we will join the line in between these two dots from here to here. It will become a line segment and we can measure its length between this distance. ये distance के बीच में हम measure length कर सकते. So line segment has two endpoints A and B, which you can measure its length, which is the distance between the two endpoints. And you can draw the line with the help of ruler. Mark 2 points. 2 points पहले mark कर लो, उसके बाद join कर लो. It will become a line segment. Then ray. The line segment C and D is the figure and is extended beyond D. This is called CD. This is a point and this is also point and this is a ray. तो D के आगे line extend हो सकती. A ray has one end point and we cannot measure its length. इसके पास ray में एक ही end point है, हम उसकी length measure नहीं कर सकते because D के आगे length extend हो सकती है. Now this is line. A line has no end points. We cannot measure its length. This is in this figure, the line segment EF is extended in both the direction. In both the direction, it is extended. Here also it can extend and here also it can extend. So, it is called the line EF and the arrow at both the ends indicate that the line can be extended to any length in both the direction. ये जो direction है इधर और इधर और E और F है ये line और जो direction है रे का वहाँ पर एक्सटेंड हो सकती लाइन, आगे भी लाइन जा सकती है और इस साइड से भी आगे जा सकती है. सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन नॉट मेजर इट्स लेंथ. जब ये आगे बढ़ सकती है तो हम इसकी लेंथ मेजर नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज अ लाइन डू नॉट हैव एंड पॉइंट्स. इट कैन एक्सटेंड infinitely in both the directions. Types of line. This is a straight line, this is curved and this is straight also and curved also. You can see in figure 1 a straight line is there, figure 2 curved and figure 3 straight also and curved also. Types of straight lines. One is of horizontal line, one vertical line and one is slanting line. This is horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Horizontal line can also call as sleeping lines. Vertical lines can also call as standing lines. And lines neither horizontal not vertical are slanting lines. ये straight line है, इसको sleeping lines भी बोल सकते हैं, horizontal line भी. ये sleeping line है, ये straight है, ये vertical हो सकती है और vertical को हम standing line भी कहेंगे और ये जो horizontal भी नहीं है vertical भी नहीं है तो उसको slanting lines कहेंगे. PQ is a horizontal line, RS is a vertical line and ML or LM is a slanting line. Exercise 5.1. Mark S for the figures with only straight lines, C for the figures with only curved lines and B for the figures with both straight and curved lines. S जो है वो हमको only straight lines के लिए S लिखना है, C हमको curved के लिए लिखना है और B both straight और curved. तो ये pumpkin है, this is राउंड इन शेप सो इट इज़ कर्व्ड. ये कर्व्ड है, ये स्ट्रेट है, रबर स्ट्रेट लाइन्स है इसमें कर्व्ड भी है और स्ट्रेट भी है अम्ब्रेला. सो इट विल बी एंड दिस इज़ कर्व्ड. सी दिस इज़ ऑल्सो बी कर्व्ड एंड स्ट्रेट. देन दिस इज़ ऑल्सो स्ट्रेट एंड कर्व्ड तो बी आएगा. दिस इज स्ट्रेट लाइन्स सो एस एंड दिस इज़ कर्व्ड लाइन्स सो सी. अगेन दिस इज स्ट्रेट लाइन्स, gift hamper, this is straight lines, S star again curved and C pot, again curved it is. So in this way you will write the S and B and C for the objects whichever they belongs to. Mark L for the line, R for the ray, and S for the line segment. This is line and this is 2 points line segment, and this is ray. Ray, a line has no endpoints, and this is line segment has 2 endpoints, and this is ray has 1 endpoint. So study these figures, identify at least 2 different lines segment from each figure. These are figures L, M, N and A, B, C, D and E. So horizontal M, this is horizontal M, N, in this figure A, B. Then vertical L, M, that is straight line, this is E, A and C, B. Then slanting L, N and E, D or DE and DC. Closed figures and open figures. These are closed figures and these are open figures. In class 2 we have studied such as rectangle, square, circle and so on. These are all closed figures. Rectangle, square, circle, all closed figures. They enclose a space within their boundaries, and figures do not completely enclose a space. Such figures are called open figures. जो complete नहीं होते, space complete नहीं करते, वो open figures रहते. जो space complete कर लेते हैं वो closed figures होते हैं. Now plane surface and curved surface. A surface is something that you can see and touch. Surface ऐसा है आप देख सकते, touch कर सकते. For example, touching a wall. Wall को आप touch करो. You cannot touch inside the part of the interior of the wall. आप touch करो wall को, आपका with your palm you are touching its surface. आप उसका surface touch कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम wall के अंदर जो है वो हम touch नहीं कर सकते. Surfaces can be plane or curved. Plane भी हो सकते, curved भी हो सकते. The wall is an example of a plane surface. You can place your palm flat over a wall. A book without bending the palm. आप book या फिर अपना हाथ ऐसे wall को touch करके रख सकते हैं without bending. Now try holding your water bottle. अभी water bottle आप hold करो. Can you place your hand around it without bending your fingers? क्या आप water bottle को without bending fingers पकड़ सकते हैं? No, because it has a curve shape. आपको automatically आपकी fingers bend होगी जब आप water bottle को पकड़ेंगे, because वो curved shape का है. Straight हम without bending our fingers we can hold the water bottle. Exercise 5.2. Name the following shapes. This is square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle. Match the columns. A plane closed figure with 3 vertices, triangle. A plane figure with equal opposite sides, rectangle. A curved closed figure, closed plane figure, circle. A plane figure with all equal sides, square. Triangle is of 3 vertices, then opposite sides are equal, this is square. Then curved plane figure, this is circle, and all sides are equal, this is square. All sides are equal. Solid shapes. Cuboids and cubes are solid figures that have plane surfaces. Cuboids and cubes जो है ये figures solid figures होते हैं और इनको plane surfaces रहते हैं. जैसे this is brick, this is toothpaste, see the vertex, then this is face, etched, cuboid it is, then cube, vertex, faces and etched, plane surface it is. This is cube. Now sphere. A sphere is a solid that has only one curved surface. Sphere is also a solid. This is ball, marble it is, and this is also, so it is a curved surface. Sphere is a solid that has only one curved surface. This is curved surface. Cylinder is a solid that has 2 plane surfaces and 1 curved surfaces. This is cylinder, and it is solid and it has curved surface here, and this is plane surfaces, circular plane surfaces. This and this is plane surfaces. Then a cone. A cone is a solid that has 1 plane surface and 1 curved surface. This is a cone. It has one plane surface and one curved surface. This is vertex, curved surface, and this is plane surface. Exercise 5.3. Name the following shapes. This is cylinder, cube, cube, sphere, sphere, cuboid, cone. Who am I? I have only one curved surface with no edges or vertices, sphere. I have two plane surfaces and one curved surface, cylinder. I have 6 square faces, cube. I have 12 straight edges and my faces are usually rectangles, cuboid. I have one vertex and two surfaces, cone. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all understand the lesson. Basic geometry. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Learn with Shirin Qazi. Also, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to press the bell icon and watch my video till the end. Thank you so much.